Alright, here's a little review video for 9-2, which is graphing reciprocal functions. This is the easy graphing lesson. Here's a couple of things we talked about during the lesson. Remember to find the distance away from our center where the asymptotes are. We're using the square root of a being the number on top of the fraction. Remember, a negative flips the branches. Our normal, if a is positive, this is a if positive, the branches go like that. So a positive, that's how the branches are, with this being the origin. Just remember that. If A positive, it's top right, bottom left. H always lies, so it's going to move the asymptotes left or right on the opposite side of what's on the bottom. And remember, H and K are the asymptotes. Like, this is where the asymptotes are for number 21 when we graph this. But first of all, the square root method. Remember, H and K, the asymptotes. H is 0, K is 0. So the asymptotes become our axes. And remember, this is negative, so it's going to be down here and up here. And then what is the square root of 5 to find the distance? And the reason this works is because when you choose the square root of 5 right here, that means the other part of that, like the easy one to visualize, is y equals 9 over x. If I choose the square root of 9 as 3, you get y equals 9 over 3. When you do this, 9 divided by 3 is 3. You're creating an ordered pair the same distance. That's why you're doing that, just to give you how far away from the center to put a dot so you know where the branches go. It's like way down here or way up here close. And the square root of 5, I think we figured out, is about 2.2. Remember, it's negative, so that's about 2.2, that's about 2.2, and up there, so our dot's going to be about there, and then just draw your L's. Remember, the L's like make a little saddle shape hourglass, always kind of closer to the center of the asymptote like that. Now we're going to do the exact same thing on number 21, except all we're going to do is move these asymptotes. Okay? So I know it's going to be down here somewhere. Let's see, H, that lies, so instead of going plus 5, I'm going to go left 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you have to draw your asymptote. And then down 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, this is the new center of the graph, and it's negative, so it's going to be bottom right, top left. And the square root of 8, what did we find out? That's about 2.8. So let's see, if this is at 5, we go 2.8 over to about there, and 2.8 more down to about right here. That's where one asymptote is, and then kind of reflect it all the way across there. That's satisfactory. And that would be just fine for that graph.